Good evening, and welcome to a special report on a groundbreaking development shaking the very foundations of the music industry. Across the globe, a new sensation has emerged, not from human talent, but from the intricate algorithms of artificial intelligence. Xania Monet, an AI-generated singer, has not just entered the music charts, she has absolutely dominated them, achieving unprecedented success in record time. Her debut single soared to the top, captivating millions with its unique sound and flawless execution, a testament to advanced AI capabilities. This meteoric rise has been widely reported, with sources like People.com highlighting the astonishing speed at which Xania Monet has become a household name. Her tracks are breaking streaming records, and her digital concerts are selling out in virtual venues, proving that AI can indeed create chart-topping hits. However, Xania Monet's success has ignited a global firestorm, sparking intense debates over creative ethics and the very definition of artistry. Artists, producers, and fans worldwide are grappling with profound questions. Can a machine truly be an artist? What does this mean for human creativity? The discussion extends beyond music, touching on intellectual property, the future of creative industries, and the unique value of human emotion in art. Many argue that while AI can mimic and generate, it lacks the lived experience and emotional depth that define human artistic expression. Conversely, proponents highlight AI's potential to democratize music creation, offering new tools and possibilities for aspiring artists globally. This debate is not merely academic. It's shaping the future of entertainment, forcing us to redefine our understanding of talent and originality. As Xania Monet continues to break barriers, the world watches to see how this AI revolution will ultimately reshape the creative landscape. The implications are vast, extending far beyond the music charts into every facet of artistic endeavor, from visual arts to literature. This moment marks a pivotal shift, challenging our perceptions of authorship and the very essence of what it means to create. The rise of Xania Monet is more than a music story. It's a cultural phenomenon that demands our attention and critical consideration. It forces us to confront the evolving relationship between humanity and technology, especially in fields traditionally considered uniquely human. The debate over AI's role in creativity is just beginning, and Xania Monet stands at the forefront of this revolutionary change. Her success is undeniable, but the questions it raises about the soul of music and art will resonate for years to come. This is a story that will continue to unfold, challenging our preconceived notions and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We encourage you to engage with this critical conversation and share your thoughts on the future of AI in music and beyond. What are your predictions for AI's impact on creative industries? How do you define true artistry in this new era? The journey of Xania Monet is just the beginning of a fascinating chapter in human-AI collaboration and competition. Thank you for joining us for this breaking report on Xania Monet, the AI singer taking the charts by storm. To stay informed on these cutting-edge developments, please comment, like, and subscribe to the AI Innovations and Tools channel for more AI gems.